اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم تکاد السماوات یتفطرن من فوقہن والملائکۃ یسبحون بحمد ربہم ویستغفرون لمن فی الارض الا ان اللہ هو الغفور الرحیم. Translation. Read it. The translation of this verse is, the heavens may rend asunder in their celestial heights, and the angels glorify their Lord with his praise and ask forgiveness for those on the earth. Behold, it is surely Allah who is the most forgiving, the merciful.
My question is related to وَيَسْتَغْفِرُونَ لِمَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ. Angels carry the commands of Allah. In this verse, does Allah command them to ask forgiveness for the people on the earth?
He says that the question is related to يَسْتَغْفِرُونَ لِمَنْ فِي الْأَرْضِ. Angels are always obedient to the command of Allah.
That's right.
So is it the case that Allah asks the angels to seek forgiveness for the people?
Allah asks everybody, every pious person or every person whose prayer can be heard, to pray for others. This is why Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam prayed for even his enemies and even prayed for those to be born till doomsday. So angels also pray in the sense that when there is great lightning and disturbance in the heaven and lightning may strike on earth and other such phenomenon takes place, then angels always pray that may the good people on earth be spared. So the good people is already implied. Allah knows who is to be saved and who is not to be saved. So they generally pray for those people who are on earth. They can't do anything. They're totally helpless about any wrath of God or any calamity which may befall them from above them. So their helplessness is a piteous case. This arouses pity, and as such the angels pray for them. So Allah knows for whom the prayer is to be heard and for whom it is not to be heard.